Okay, you'll have to loosen this screw up, which is the carburetor. Hold the carburetor in. Once you loosen that screw up, you'll be able to twist the carburetor and get it into position. Here, I'll move it to show you how. Open. Close. It's hard to see it. Closed. Open. And make sure you always put a rubber band from here back to around here. So if you lose power or anything, it's going to automatically close it back. Here. Open. Close. Get it from the side. Open. Close. There's the screw. These are some older or different mirror mounts off a newer version that would take too much work to do. But really, a belt sander is about the easiest way to do it. Just take your time and a pair of calipers. And put this bad boy back on top. Okay, clips are back in. I mean, you can mill them. It's nice and clean, as long as it doesn't move. But when you do one of the, I believe that one is actually the right one for the motor mount, which you can't get anymore. And that was the one I got the height from. I had to make a motor mount for was the Truggy, which I absolutely love this. I'll zoom in. You see it? Sorry. I got too much stuff in the way. That's the original motor mounts that I machined down. I actually had another pair laying around here somewhere. Oh, there they are. Here's the one that I also machined down. I can send you those, and you just send me yours. I'm good with that. But it takes a little bit of work to do it, get everything lined up. I mean, this is definitely faster to do it, but a sander works just as well.